right, let's get it popping. It's day 3, ladies and gentlemen, day 3. I'm hoping we can really turn this around. We went up 20%, basically went down about 20%. So we're pretty much break even. All right, so we got to learn to turn this thing around. And I'm hoping with you guys' help today as we're trading, we can flip this. Remember, we're trying to go from 50 to 500. So we're going to need all the help we can get. We need all the help we can get. All right, let's wait for some people to come in here. Let me just pin this real quick. Paste. Mr. R, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Pin this message. What it do, baby? All right, let me let these other guys know. I'm alive. I'm alive. Let's go, general. I'm live now. All right, cool. Adib said I was first. Sorry, Adib. Mr. R was first today, man. Nice try, though. Nice try. All right, let's get straight into it, man. Let's get straight into it. We need to turn this around. All right, we need to turn this around. We were up like what? We were up. Gosh, we were up. We were up to like 70 something, almost $80. And then now we're back down and we're trading gold. So I need you guys' help. I haven't analyzed the charts. I haven't looked at anything. We got to figure out how we're going to turn this around, ladies and gentlemen. How are we going to turn this around? Gold for the last, what was this, the hour chart? Not too bad. I mean, we're overall on an uptrend, right? This retracement isn't nothing too crazy. Bit of consolidation right there. Couple gaps, but they all got disrespected. Nothing was created on the way down. So, kind of in the middle of nowhere. My phone got hang. I could have sent messages. Good bro, you. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna need your help. We're gonna have to try and flip this. I told you guys to come prepared with your analysis. You guys better have something for me, or else it's going to be another L day. We need a dub, bro. We need a win. We need a win, guys. What do you guys say we do? We need a massive win. All right, we need a massive win. So let me start putting up some of these polls so we can see what we got in here. Let me see how many people we got in here. Refresh. Click on you. All right, so we got 2 people in here. All right, guys. So you could literally just type out what you guys think we should be doing. Because, bro, I don't trade gold. So I don't trade gold. Where's K-Dot? I need K-Dot in here. I'm going to spam him. I'm going to spam K-Dot. Let me see. At K-Dot. Are you going to join? We need some analysis. Let me just change this real quick to, are you going to join the live? There we go. Oops. Boom. All right, let's get this out of here. All right, guys, what are we going to do? We're going to buy, we're going to sell. Price right now is dropping and tanking. Bro, I don't know. I don't have a laptop with me. My brother took it. Oh, gosh. Sorry. Sorry, you don't have your laptop with you. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. By the way, I hope you guys are having a great day, great week, great time all together. I, on the other hand, got a lot of plans after this. Not a lot, but I got some things to do outside after this, so kind of looking forward to that. But in the meantime, we got to make this money, guys. We got to at least be able to pay for my Uber or my food. Let's make some money, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so Adib said he doesn't know. Mr. R, what do you say? What do you say? All right, that's the 1 minute chart. It's the 1 hour. You guys should already be doing your analysis, bro. This challenge is based on you guys. If it was my challenge, I would be doing, to be honest, I'd probably be trading futures. I'd do maybe a futures one as opposed to this. Not a fan of gold at all. At all, at all, at all. What do you guys think? What do you guys think we should be doing? All right, let me put up a poll real quick. Let's start a poll. should we buy or sell? We're gonna go buy, and we're gonna go sell. Let's see what you guys say. Let's see what you guys say. It's the 15-minute chart, guys. You know what I mean? You can obviously see, oh man, this is not like trading view, so I can't draw it out. You can see over here, higher high, higher low, higher high, broke that. Change of character mark structure shift, blah blah blah. Price retraced, push down, and now it's starting to fall down. We do have this level right here, right? I'm trying not to do any analysis, bro, because it's not my thing. But you guys are leaving me with no choice. Let's see what we got so far. How many people? 2 people said buy. Oh wow, buy. All right. So if we're going to buy, we have to get a good region. Oh wow, okay. So we have 3 votes in total. 1 buy, 1 sell. The 4th person in here, please vote so that we can have a well-decided, poll. If you vote sell, we'll be at 50-50. If you vote buy, we'll be able to move on to buy. So y'all gotta let me know. Ranker. Yo, Ranker, long time no see, brother. Long time no see. Glad to have you back. Ranker, what do you think we should do? Buy, sell? Did you vote already? Let's see. This is the 15-minute chart. Yo, Ranker, what's up? Yeah, man, it's been a long time. Guys, you need to get this party started. The sooner we get into a trade, the better, kind of. You know what I'm saying? This is interesting. This 15-minute candle is going to close within the next, basically like 2.5 minutes. So maybe we should wait for the close of the candle. John Tarai. Hey, hello, brother. How's it going? Long time no see. Bro, can you fix the 20 to 30 second delay? Adib, I did that, and then all of a sudden the quality was bad. You remember? I used to have it like really, really, bro, I don't want to mess up the settings, bro. This thing is so finicky. Just bear with me, all right? There's like a 20 to 30 second delay, like you said, but unfortunately, that's the only way we can communicate right now. If I do anything else, it messes up the stream. I was in the trenches. I hear you, bro. Yo, to be honest, Ranker, you're not the only one. A lot of people I've been speaking to, Adib, Ludo, not Adib, Fauci, Ludo, Dean, you name it. It's a bunch of people that are just right now just grinding. It feels like everybody has the same mission that I kind of do, which is like this year we wanted to really go ham. It's like we all universally just decided like this year we want to lock in and really turn up our trading. So everybody I know right now is just like fixated on that. People are not doing nothing else. Nothing else. So very interesting. All right, there's 4 people in here and only 3 people voted. But everybody's saying we should buy, so I'm going to end the poll. It is what it is. Okay, we're going to buy. So the question is, where do we buy? We've got to look for some areas, something, some confirmation. Boy. Let me see something here. So, it looks like, just saying, right? With this gap like right here, it looks like that's what price used to go up. So we don't know. Know what I'm saying? We don't know if this is enough to pull us up because, one, the 15-minute candle is about to close soon. So it might be, this rejection might be good enough for a buy. You guys are saying we should buy. All right, no problem. But on the 15, no structure has been broken. We have nothing to really show us. And even on the 1 minute, we don't even have like a change of character to be like, all right, oh, this is enough. All we have is this gap right here, which if price respects, cool. If it doesn't, we don't know. But you guys are saying we should buy. Good, bro, but I didn't trade those whole month. I would sell the C. So Ranker's saying, bro, I asked you guys to vote. Oh, so you were probably the one person who voted to sell. All right. There's 6 people in here. Let me put this back up. We're gonna let's get a proper poll going. Okay, should we buy or sell? I need K-Dot was good. Perfect timing, brother. Perfect timing. All right, I did a poll already. Some people said buy, some people said sell. All right, I need legitimate advice, guys. Okay, most people said buy, but there was only like 3 votes. There's 5 people in here. There was 6. Somebody hopped out. That's okay. Should we buy or sell this market? This is the 1 minute chart. This is the 15. All right, this is the 15. This is what it's looking like on the 15. Okay, and then on the 1 hour, my fault. On the 1 hour, this is what we've got. You know what I mean? Just not really much to go off with. But ooh, 50-50 so far. But only 2 people voted. There's still 3 people left. Mr. R said, I'm doing a 9 to 5 job in IT, bro. I'm not trading currently, and I'm not active in Discord, but I was soon planning on buying Fund account. No problem, brother. No problem. No problem. Best of luck to you. Don't forget, we're doing a giveaway, Mr. R, so I hope that you win. I'm going to be announcing it very soon, guys. Just putting some things together. But the accounts are already secured. We're going to be giving away 5 accounts, so make sure you guys tap in, lock in, so you don't miss out on this giveaway. All right? Okay, we have... All right. Oh, perfect. Okay, so 4. There's 6 people in here. Let's get 2 more people to vote so we can get, you know, a deciding factor here. So half of the people are saying buy, half the other people are saying sell. This is the 1 minute chart, guys. This is what the 15 looks like, and this is what the hourly looks like. Okay, we're obviously overall in an uptrend, but when you do go into like the 15 and stuff, you can change of character right here, price to trace back, push down, and now we're making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so in the short term of things, we're low, but then at the same time, if you zoom out just a little bit, we have this entire area right here. Let me just put like a line or something, right? We have this area right here where price is, you know, like respecting. So we got to make up our mind as to what we're going to do, guys. I don't trade gold. I need your help. We need to make this money. I might split the profits with you guys, man. How about that, huh? How's that sound? How does that sound? All right, 4 votes. We need to, there's 2 more people in here. Let's get at least 5 votes so we can decide. Right now it's a stalemate. It's 4 and 2 and 2. We need to figure out if we should buy or sell. Buy or sell, ladies and gentlemen. Buy or sell. Good. For a scalp, a sell makes sense personally. Got you. Got you. Well, I need the vote to show that. There's 6 people in here. It's currently 50-50. We just need 1 more vote deciding in one favor, and I'm going to just pull the trigger, bro. Just straight up. Straight up. Oh. K-Dot might be right. K-Dot might be right. I can't go off my personal bias, guys. I have to go with you. Number 1, I don't trade gold. But 2, even though I want to kind of give my opinion here, I'm trying my best to stay neutral. Someone vote. That's what I'm saying, bro. There's 5. Okay, 1 person hopped out of here. So there's 5. To the 5th person who hasn't voted yet, please vote. You just have to click. We don't have to see you. We don't know who you are. Just click buy or sell. Which one should we do? Help us out here. Help us out here. I only said sell because I'm gonna sell. Oh, pfft. Bro trying to take us down with him. K-Dot's trying to take us down with him. Bro, this is insane. To the 1 person who's refusing to vote, I will find you. I will find you. All right, so does anybody want to change their mind on the buy or sell then? Those of you on the other side, anybody want to change their mind? I didn't vote. I don't know, honestly. Oh, it's you, Mr. R. Bro, choose one. Just choose. Okay? Look, here's the 1 hour. All right? Which is overall, I mean, you can see overall in the uptrend, but you can see things are starting to change slowly. All right, here's the 15. 15, we're kind of back to equilibrium right here. Right? We have this level. Price gave us a strong push from there. Not bad. And then on the 1 minute, we've got this going on. Okay? This was our recent high. Price kind of retraced up to here. You know what I mean? Push down, went up, push down, went up, push down. So, okay, sell. 60. All right, cool. Sell. Done. I'm just going to end this. All right, now we have to hop in. This is a terrible spot, but we have to try and make. So here's what we'll do. We'll do 1 position here, and then we'll kind of what they call DCA. DCA means dollar cost averaging. You're basically entering positions as it's going closer to your stop loss or something. right? So if I was buying and price kept going down, I'd put in another position here and another one here. And if my stop loss is here, maybe one more here. All right, in this case here, we are going to we're going to maybe put our next position probably around here somewhere. I feel like this is a good spot. And then you know what I mean? We can kind of do it from there. Now we need to make at least $20. So now we got to figure out how much $20 is. Let's see. Oh, 27, not bad. So what's this? $22. Okay, bro, that's not too bad. Bro, look at this. $20. Okay, that's perfect. All right, so we have $20. I am going to do... Let's add this on here so we can get a good idea of... Wait, how do I flip this? I forget how to use this. There we go. So we should make, how many is this? 100 points. Damn. Where should we put our stops, guys? Because we have to, I mean, if we're risking $20, then our stops should probably be $10. That's what I feel like. Does this not maximize the loss that you could get though? It does. It does. But what we did last time is like you can greatly increase the potential of your wins. Here's what I would personally do. I personally put in one position here, have my stop loss, let's say here or here, whatever the case is, right? You have your stop loss, you know me, 1 to 2, and I'm out of here. Right there. I'd be out of here right like at that point. That's what I would do. It'd be something like this, and I'd be down. And that'd be it. That's all I would do. This thing is, I don't like the... Is it expert? Yeah, it's an expert. Let's go to properties. These colors are horrific. Oh, I can't change it. Man. These colors are terrible, but I can't change it for some reason. And let me move it to the side a bit because it's just like it's too distracting. All right, this is what we got going on. This is what we got going on, ladies and gentlemen. I changed my vote to sell, no problem. It's too late now. Oh wait, no, that was you that swayed it. Okay, cool. It's difficult to tell because the 4 hour looks so bullish. That's what I'm saying, right? Like if you go to even to the hourly and above, you can tell we're still in the overall, upswing, right? If you go to the 4 hour, same thing. You see what I'm saying? But we're having fun, guys. This is just a challenge to have fun. That's all we're doing, bro. There's nothing too serious. We're only risking $50. It's only 50 smackaroonies, brother. 50 smackaroonies. All right, so we're going to see how this plays out. Guys, where should we put our stops? I feel like having tight stops or like a decent stop with good reward will really help us flip this. Because the other day we had our stops like all the way up here. Somebody said we should swing it. We had our stops so high. It was awful. It was awful. So let's see what happens. We're going to try and take it all the way down here. All right. So now, guys, if anything happens, I'm blaming K-Dot. I'm blaming Adib. And I'm blaming Ranker. That's what we're doing. And if I lose money, y'all got to refund me. I'm going to set up a GoFundMe. So you guys give me my money back. All right. All right. We do have this quote unquote gap right here. Oh, shoot. Why is that? Oh, because it won't. That's weird. That is super weird. But anyways, we are in profit. Okay. Not too bad. If we can get to that $20 mark, that would be beautiful. We got to see what happens at this gap. Again, this is gold, so I don't know. I'm going to have to work for free again. You and Dean, I remember. Oh, man. Shout out to Dean, bro. You and Dean. You guys were supposed to do some work to pay off all the money. I think you guys cost me like $16K. You know what I'm saying? So you guys, we better would Hey, Joshua said, hey, for and I'm holding gold sales, but I don't know if I should keep holding entry at 347.3, stop loss at 350.06, TP. Oh, gosh. Brother, I can't really. Let me see. I wonder if the numbers are even the same. So we say his stop loss is at 3506. So he said, oops, my fault. He said 3506 .662. Okay, so you're, bro, where did that go? Oh, okay, so that's where you're. Let me change this color real quick, just so we can know which one's yours. Can I change the color? Okay, cool. Let's just make it a quick yellow. All right, so this is where your stop loss is at. All right, cool. Here's where your, let's find out where your entry's at. Okay, hold the entry at 347.3. Yeah, let me just, brother, this is the best I can do for you right now while still staying on the screen. 3473. Oh, why do I keep doing that? 3473.180. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. Okay, boom. And then we'll change this to, let's make this, oh, my fault. Let's make this blue. Make your entry blue. Boom. All right, so that's your entry. That's your stop loss, and you're holding. Oh, I see. And you want to hold till TP. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. I'm just going to put it here for now. All right. You want to hold till 3372. 3372.69. Okay, boom. So let's also make this green. That'd be better. All right, so this is your position. That's not bad. And you want to know if you should hold all the way down there? Considering the fact that, okay, bro, I need to, this thing is messing me up. This position thing right here is messing me up. But, oh, guys, we're at $10 in profit. We're doing well. Considering what's happening here, brother, gold can be finicky. I know the markets are tanking, but just expect a deep retracement at some point, I feel like. Unless we have news, you might be able to get a deep retracement. But bro, take it with a grain of salt, bro. I don't trade gold, so I don't really know what to tell you guys. Oh man, we're about to hit TP. Yo, this is amazing. Yo, sniper entry. Shout out to all you guys. Yo, put some celebration emojis. Take the 10 and dip. I know, right? I know this has happened so many times, but we're gonna hold on. What we should do is maybe move our stops to break even. What do you guys think we should do? Because this area here is going to be problematic. Right here, right where our take profit is. All right, so K-Dot said he's got FOMO now. Guys, put some celebration emojis, some clapping hands. Let me see if I can spam some stuff in here. Or some hearts. Like the stream, guys. As a team, we doing well. Let me see what we can put in here. Yeah, that's what's up. Hey, take a selfie. Take a selfie too. Take a selfie. Spam that. Take a selfie. Take a picture, guys. We shouldn't celebrate too early, but bro, when things said take the money and dip, when I say I'm with you, bro, no lie. This happened to us last week. Last week we were up like a good 15, I think $20 as well, something along those lines, and we ended up losing a whole bunch of money. So, oh, guys, is it gonna happen? Eh, eh. What are we at? What does our balance say? Ooh. Eh. Should we close, guys? Let me ask. Let me ask the chat. Let me ask the chat. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Should we close? Should we close? All right. Let me ask the chat. Should we close? Should we close, chat? Should we close, chat? Bro, 67% say yes. How many votes in here? There's 10 people. If we get to 7 votes that say yes, I'm going to close the trade. Chat, should we close? Should we close, chat? Oh, 2 more votes left. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. 2 more votes, guys. We need 2 more votes or else we can't close. Should we close, chat? Good morning for it. What's good, homeless Bill? What's good? What's good? Maybe break even. It's not unlikely for price to go back up. Exactly. The closure is really bearish, so it might be just smashed to TP. It's low resistance. Oh, 1 more vote, guys. 1 more vote and we can close. 1 more vote. You were asking for too much, Riker said. Riker is like, bro, take the money and cut. I definitely hits. I bet my life savings. I've had 1 trade all day on gold pre-market. I proceed to go to back to 800. That is fire. Shout out to you, brother. Shout out to you. 1 more vote, guys. Yep, everybody said yeah. We're going to close. Boom. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The account now is back up to $71. Clap it up. Oh, look at what I hit TP anyways, I think. Let's see. Let's see if I think our TP was like just below here. Let me see if I could put a line for that. I think our TP was like right here, somewhere like that. So let's see if it ultimately hits. But guys, sniper exit, man. Sniper exit. Good job, guys. Clap it up for yourselves, man. Clap for yourselves. Good job, guys. So we're back up on the account. Great job, guys. You guys are this is why I believe in my community so much. I see the Discord. We have the best traders. Some of you guys be posting stuff. Y'all entered. Let me give you guys an example. Y'all entered right here. Stop loss was like right here. Hold on. Like right there. And y'all caught the move down here. We got some beasts in the trading community. So I am confident. Look at that sniper exit. Y'all are goated, bro. Give yourselves a round of applause. Like the stream, ladies and gentlemen. Like the stream. Great job. I'm just happy I'm not working again. Hey, you just paid off like 2 weeks worth of work. K-Dot. So shout out to you. Joshua Kukuru, sorry. Shout out to you as well, brother. Guys, look at this. Yeah. You guys called it. You guys called it. You're like, I think it was K-Dot and Ranker. You guys are like, bro, take the money. And Ranker's like, you're asking for too much. And this is what happened to us last time. Last time we had a nasty retracement, like deep. We were in some proper profits and we didn't close. So what we have to do is keep in mind. All right, so let's see what we actually got. Not too bad. Now, in reality, our stops, was our stops here? Yeah, so like 1 to 1.5. Not too bad, guys. I'll take it. I'll take it. Remember, this is not a prop firm challenge. Any money is good money. You know what I'm saying? Any money is good money. It's not a prop firm challenge. So this was proper. So guys, so the question is, because we still got some time on this stream, should we take another position? Shout out to everybody who, oh wow, the poll ended up with 50-50 with half saying yes, half saying no. Thank God when we hit 7, we just cut it. Because y'all would have cost us some money. So, all right, let me end this poll. I got another question for you guys. Yo, what's good, Verd? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? I got another question for you guys. Should, wait. Hey, yo, chat. I got another question. Should we enter position? Right? Or / take. Okay, there you go. There we go. I got another question for you, chat. You guys, look at this. Really nice sniper entry, sniper exit. That entry wasn't bad. I mean, I would have preferred to get up here. But, you know, you can't win them all. It's all good. Let's see what the chat say. Oh, wow. 100% yes. All right. So here, guys. So here's the thing about trading in real life. All right. At this point, the best thing to do is walk away and come back tomorrow. That's the honest truth. You know what I'm saying? At this point, when you've actually made money in the market, say you're trading a 100K account, let's see, this was a 1 to 1.5. So let's say you made $1,500 just come back tomorrow, bro. That's the best thing to do, in my honest, humble opinion. That is the best thing to do. Nonetheless, this is a trading challenge with you guys kind of spearheading this, so I'm doing whatever y'all want. So if you guys want us to take another trade, we can. There's 10 people in here, only 4 votes. Let's get to at least 6 or 7 votes before we make a final decision. 4 votes is just simply not enough. So nothing like water. All right, so what should we be doing? What should we be doing? Let me get rid of this real quick. What should we be doing? All right, 6 votes. Oh, wow. So let's get one more vote in, and then we can call it. One more vote, and we can call it. We've already made $20 almost. Not bad. Not bad for a start. All right, so I think that was almost a 20% gain, I think. Something like that, maybe 15%. We'll see. Because the last time we did that I think we were up 20%, something like that. So guys, we went up to 70 something before, then we came back down because the trade we took last time, that was an L. And now this time we're back up here. So, all right, 8 people said yes. All right, guys, we are going to take another trade. Now, you guys have to let me know when we should put another position in. For those of you who were not here before, give me 1 second. Let me just get rid of this thing here. It's just too distracting. All right, for those of you who are not here before, we need to, oh yeah, sorry. This is what we're doing. Here is the hourly time frame. That's what that looks like. Okay, here's the hourly. Here is the 15. That's what this looks like. All right. So 15 price push down is now pushing back up at that line that we drew earlier. And then here is the 1 minute, as you guys were seeing. So we've got to make a decision now as to whether or not we want to enter and where we should enter. Guys, remember this, you guys were supposed to come ready with your analysis. Let me know 3, 6, 5, 7, 3, 2, 4, 7, whatever price points and levels you guys think we should enter at, and then we'll do a poll to see where we should enter the trade. Price is pushing up heavily now, so this could have also been a nice entry, but we will see what happens. All right, so Adib said go long. How y'all? What's good, Verb? We're good. Only if the right setup is there. I agree, K-Dot. Good, Verd. I'm chilling, Verd. How you doing? Okay, good. How about you, Verd? Bro, it was my account. I would have walked away, but it's not my account. So you want me to full port it? Adib, you wicked man. All right. So yeah, man, we are going to see how this all plays out, guys. We will wait for a nice setup. Again, we're already up for the day. Pretty good, guys, in my opinion. We're trying to get this. We need to, guys, we have to at least get to $100. Let's try and do that. Let me see if I could put, will the text work? Okay. Text description, let's say. Goal 100 smackaroonies. There we go. But it's so, bro, it's not even that visible. Oh my God, I hate when this happens. Okay. Goal, parameters. Bro, let me just hit OK, bro. This thing is glitching now. It's freezing on me, guys. Okay. We'll just leave it at that. Here is the goal. Okay. The goal is to get to $100. Somebody said buy now. Wait for a bit. We need a retracement. Oh man, guys, we gotta. All right, so let me do another chat, another poll chat. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna do another poll. All right, we're gonna find out, should we enter now or wait? All right, hold on. Let's see. We're already up. We've done well. We ain't gotta rush it. Just chill out. Jason, Profit with Jason, shout out to you, said buy now. Rankin said wait a bit, we need a retracement. Joshua said enter shorts if it creates like a double top at the 1 minute. Got you. Steven Lubega, welcome back, brother. Change the color to white. Got you. That's actually, I don't even know why I didn't think of that. You know what? I think if I just type in white, there we go. Boom. Brother, wisdom is in your brain. Wisdom is in your mind. All right, guys. Oh, wow. So 89% of you guys said wait. Oh, 9 votes. Damn, y'all were quick with this one. All right, we're going to end. We're going to wait. When you guys want to enter another position, let me know. And we going it took off without us. Yeah, I did. Like, literally, if we had just closed our trade and then hit buy, you guys, you know this. It's the worst way to think is what we're saying. It doesn't work like that. Have your strategy, have your analysis, be content with your profit. Greed and had I known and, you know, hindsight 2020 type of mindset doesn't work. My dad always used to say, had I known is a fool's philosophy. Don't live by had I known. Nobody will ever know. You will only know when it's all over, right? So you make the best decision with the information that you've got presently. All right, guys. So not too shabby. Not too shabby. And to be quite honest, that trade did not last that long. We entered here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes. I think that's one of the fastest TPs we've ever hit on gold. Gold just usually it'll come all the way close to your TP just like this and do that. Maybe we should, you know what I'll start doing on gold? I'll start closing manually. I won't even wait for it to hit my TP. I'll just be like, you know what, this is enough money for the day. So here's something we need to take into consideration. If price starts disrespecting these like gaps towards the upside, right? Like these bearish gaps, then we know we're cooked. Obviously, took out this one here, took out this one here. But now we're getting into like this upper structure. If it starts doing that, then we know we are finito. Bro, why is it, I don't like the way that looks. Try, which one? No, where's there's one for fill. Where is it? There it is. Fill. Yeah, that's better. That's better. All right, guys. Wow, what are the spreads and commissions like on this account? It's all right here. Let me see if I can. So you can see what the spreads and stuff look like. Wait, where's this? Wait, hold on. You know what? I will go through, because this is on Fusion Markets, by the way. This is on Fusion Markets. So, by the way, guys, the trading competition is going to be on this broker. So you guys should get a good look right now as to what's going on. But I'll give you more specific. Like I can go through the Fusion Market stuff and show you guys what the spreads are like. But from experience, Fusion Market has like the spreads are usually tight. Now recently, with the market volatility, I don't know because I don't trade this account or on Fusion right now. I'm focused on other accounts. But in the past, Fusion was my favorite broker. Spreads were really, really good. You get paid out as soon as you request, because over here in Canada, we have something called e-transfer. So what that does is that like you can literally just type in your email, they'll send the money to your email. That's it. And because your email is registered to your bank account, it goes directly into your bank account within minutes. So like it's proper. So I've had, you know, I don't really have anything bad to say about this broker. But as of late, I don't know if with all the tariff wars and stuff with the price and the market going crazy, I don't know if the spreads have changed. But you know what? How I can show you, I can go to properties. I can go to show and then show ask as well. I think that should show us. That should show us the spread. That's usually how the spread shows, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you show bid and ask. Yeah. And then, is there another one? Show last price. No. Show. I think that's it. So usually the spreads is something like that, right? So you can see it's very tight. If I go to other if I show you guys other brokers and other like prop firms, you'll be shocked. There's one prop firm, I'm not gonna mention the name, that I was, oh wow, bro, this thing is flying. Somebody said buy now when we were like around here. Whoever said that, you might have been on to something, bro. All right, so what spreads and commissions like on this account? I'm trying to find one before I turn 18. Got you. Fusion is really good, and they're regulated in Australia, so you know what I mean. They have actual like the regulatory body that regulates them in Australia is like they're regulated by them. Bro, my brain is going. Certified, got you. I'm in profit. Yeah, profit with Jason said he's a prophet. He's like, y'all missed out. It's all good, Jason. It's all good. You can't win them all. We're going to be patient. Suppose you just get the nastiest red candle, come back down this way, Jason. What will you do? Look at me wishing evil on Jason. But yeah, man, guys. So yeah, so this completely got checked. I mean, it's still within, but still nothing too crazy. So yeah, guys, what should we do? Should we wait a bit more? Okay, let me put in another poll. What do you guys think, chat? Should we enter or wait? Enter. Wait. Shout out to Profit with Jason. Jason is in profit. That's what's up. He put a smiley face. Yes, sir. Good to make money, brother. Good to make money. All right. Y'all get your votes in. Get your votes in. Guys, every Tuesday, I'm going to do my best to do this. I'm saying it's tax season, all this stuff, so I'd be all over the place. But every Tuesday, we are doing this challenge. Or anytime I go live, let me just put it that way. But we are aiming for every Tuesday. So far, we've done, I think since I got back from vacation, we've been consistent in doing this every Tuesday. So this is good stuff. Oh, wow. Looks like that gap kind of held up. Because look, not only if we get this closed within the next 30 seconds and it leaves a gap, that could be a strong indication that we're going towards the downside, right? Because what in God's green earth is that? My fault. Because not only did we get a gap here, right? Price is also displacing, right? Like it's giving us another gap. If this closes like this, we have another gap right here. Let me show you. We have another gap right here, right? Which means the volume coming from down here is strong, super strong. Jason, I hope you cashed out. Someone said, Ranker said go in now. Oh, 50-50 on enter. Guys, there's 10 people, only 4 people have voted. So I need some more confirmation, guys. I need some more confirmation from you guys. I need some more confirmation from you people. Only 4 people voted. Let's get to at least 7. That's always the number. Let's at least get to 7. If we get to 7, we can wait. If we get to 7, we can wait. Yikes. Oh, wow. Back up to 50-50. One more vote and we should be able to call it. There's 10 people in here, guys. We just need one more vote. It says sell. It says sell. Everybody's saying sell. But in the votes, it's just 50-50. Guys, there's 10 people. We just need literally one more out of the 4 left to vote. Okay. Everybody said enter. All right. So, but now we have to find out. You guys are going to hate me for this. But now we have to find out buy or sell. So, it's only fair, bro. We've been trading like this the whole time. I know we're missing out. But if anything, price may retrace back to this level right here. So if you guys answer quickly enough, we might be able to enter a trade right there. Racket says, sell this. I smell money. Got you. Got you. Guys, vote quickly. Vote quickly. 3 votes. We need to get to 7. 2 votes now. Somebody. Okay, 3 votes. 4 more votes, guys. Buy or sell. Buy or sell. Okay, 4 votes. Buy or sell. 3 more votes, guys. Come on. Come on. If we miss out on this, it's you guys. 5 votes. Bro, you're missing the entry. 2 more votes. We need 2 more votes, guys. Ranker is tripping. He's stressing. He's stressing. Okay, we got one more. One more vote, guys. One more. One more vote. One more vote, guys. Look, we're missing out on profits. One more. One more. One more vote. All right, one more. All right, cool. We got it. We got it. We got it. All right, so You guys are saying sell. All right, so I personally want to wait for price to retrace because I know as soon as we enter, price is gonna immediately fly upwards. Right? You lot are having a laugh. I know, right? They legit are doing this on purpose. All right, price is retracing. Let's see if we can get back up to this level. That's what I personally want. All right, I personally want price to kind of come back to this gap. It didn't touch it or retest the gap yet. So that's what I personally want. That I feel like is a better entry. Down here, we're just giving away a bunch of profits. Guys, what kidnap you? Play Diddy song. Please just click any button. You are killing me. I know, guys. You gotta be patient in trade. Y'all gotta be patient. Yeah, I'm waiting for a retracement. I think that's the better move, to be honest, guys. Let's at least get to this level, and then we can get a better position. There we go. There we go. Let me do sell limit right there. How about that, guys? And if it doesn't enter, I'll just manually enter. All right, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get up and close and pissing now. I'm saying. Let's see what happens. 13 people in here. Let's see if you guys are right. You guys said we should sell. We're waiting for price to get up to that level. If it gets to that level, we gonna sell it. Let's see. Let's see. Once it touches this area, I'll probably enter. All right, guys. Be patient. Y'all tripping. Y'all like, bro, you're killing me. You're killing me. If we had entered, price would be retracing on us right now. Just got to be patient. Just got to be patient. We have 10 seconds for this candle to close. Let's see what happens on the next one. All right, let's see what... Well, there's a little bit of a gap there too, but let's see. Let's see how this plays out. And there's the next candle. Let's see. Come on, bro. You're right there. Just go back up. Man. If it breaks past here, then I'll have to enter. I'll have no choice because then we're kind of going down. Oh, my gosh. Ah, that's such a bad entry, though, guys. That's such a bad entry. This is fun. Your limit is my stop loss. Let me go. I'm cooked. Guys, this is such a bad entry. See? You see? This is such a bad entry. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. That's such a bad entry. I'm telling you. I mean, it might go back down, but man, I don't trust that, bro. I want it to come back to the gap. Oh, man. This is Breja. This is Breja. Okay, we got 1 second left. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Bro, it's frozen, bro. Should I just hit sell? So, you know those ones where it freezes and just... Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. We might get what we're looking for. We might get what we're looking for. Come on. A little more. A little more. A little more. You guys are gonna kill me. I entered that 342. Got you. We gonna see. We got 15 seconds for this candle to close. Let's see what happens. We need another pop to the top. And then, oh my God. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. FM, open the door. I'm knocking. Bro's about to kidnap me. You gotta be patient, bro. You gotta be patient. We need price to come up to this level, and then we can sell. Now, if it does all of a sudden drop, I know you guys are gonna kill me because you guys said to sell. But let's just wait a little longer. We're almost there. We just need to get to this level, and we can sell. How about that? In fact, to make sure that that actually happens, let's put this next sell limit right there. How about that? That way we can't miss it. Okay? We can't miss it. Oh, guys, it's about to happen. 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 Bro. Bro, if this thing just all of a sudden drops, I am going to cry. All right, yeah, just another. We just need a little more up, and then we should be good. Gold be on some stuff. Look how it's flirting. Absolutely just flirting with this level, bro. How many seconds left? Okay, there we go. We're in. We're in. All right. Oh, shoot. Now we're in. Did we get into 2? Okay, let me close this. Hold on. Let me come back out. And let me close that. Okay, cool. So we're in here now. We have one position, guys. Again, we're going to try and get probably another $20. Let's see how far this is. This is 15. Maybe we can even do another 15. We need to get this account to $100, guys. $100. So at this point, guys, how much should we risk on this? Price be messing around like crazy. Yeah. So we got in here. I wanted to kind of get up a little bit more just because usually price, when it comes into a gap, will push a bit. Won't just enter right at that level. You see? But we will wait it out. What we will do is we will kind of set a excusez-moi. You know what? Let me add this here real quick. I want to see something. I'm going to put this as my entry. Wait, let me open this up. Let me go H. All right, cool. So I'm going to put this as my entry. And then I'm going to put my stops at... I want to see what that looks like. And then our profit is right here. I want to see what that looks like in terms of... let's see here. 0.01. So if we do that, we are risking $14 to make 15. That's a 1-to-1. Guys, awful risk to reward. But we don't have a choice, right? Maybe we can bring our stops to about here. What do you guys think? Maybe here is better, right? And then that way our risk to reward is like 1 to 1.5. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It might go up to 342. Got you. And then go down. 342. Yeah, I could believe that, Ranker. I could believe that for sure. I agree. Price was not on my side. LOL. It's all good, K-Dot. You already had some dubs today, man. You good. Don't take nothing with your accounts where things are good. Take it. Oh, shoot, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Are we about to give back the profits we made in the market? We'll see what happens. I feel like right here and there we should have closed. You know what I mean? Like we should keep a tight stop. Go for some proper risk to reward. Jason is laughing. Jason's like, hey. He's B-booking us. Jason is laughing. You guys said to sell. I sold. And now look. But it's not over, right? We got to wait and see what happens. So let's just be patient. Be patient. I'm just tape reading. Got you. Got you. Let's just be patient and see what occurs. All right. Oh. Oh. Bro, Ranker was on the money. Look at that. Bro, Ranker was on the money. Look at that. Sheesh. Ranker. Sniper, bro. I was just, I wanted so badly. I'm like, bro, price just came above here and I was wicking. I felt like this was a good place to sell. Guys, bro, we got it. Somebody clip this, bro. Somebody clip this. Somebody clip this nasty move. Somebody clip this, bro. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Oh, all right. So you guys always say, oh my God. If we get to 15, I'm closing. I don't even care what happens. Oh my God. Are we about to hit TP? You guys hit TP. Oh, yo, this is the best trading community on YouTube, bro. Look at that. Sniper exit, bro. Oh my God. You guys, where's the account at? We're at $86, bro, just today. Oh my God. Hey, y'all cooked. Y'all cooked, bro. Y'all cooked. Hey, put some heart emojis, some fire emojis. Put some stuff in the chat, bro. Y'all gotta go crazy. Spam the chat. Oh my goodness. Like the stream. Like the stream. Spam the chat. Bro. Guys, at this point, 2 trades a day, that is the limit. Because not only is it the limit, I actually gotta go because it's 12. But, damn, I just missed and trade. I guess I'll be sleeping on the streets tonight. Or you can go back to the library, Bill. Nah, bro, you good. You made 800 this morning, bro. Just don't let it get you too much. Bro, what caused this? Do we have news today? Because I don't trade on Tuesday, so I don't check nothing. Do we have news today? Oh, my goodness. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Nasty work. You guys, shout out to you guys, man. This is some excellent trading. We have the best traders in the community, bro. Let me take a quick pic of this. Post this in the Discord. You guys did this. In fact, let me give me 1 second here. Let me save image. Give me 1 second, guys. Boom. And then let me go back here. And let me add the let me get rid of this real quick. Let me add the risk to reward ratio thing. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we ended up getting, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, what do we get? Let's see. Oops. Bro, what the heck? Yeah, there we go. So we entered around here. Yeah, we could just do that. Stops right there. TP right there. Bro, that's a good trade, bro. That's a good trade. I think our stops is going to be above here. So let's see. Yeah, almost a 1-2. Guys, I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Shout out to everybody who participated. Today was a great day, guys. You guys made back the money we lost last week and some. Goated chat. Goated chat. Shout out to Jason with the heart. Lua Vader. Shout out to you guys. Guys, join the Discord. Subscribe. We do this every Tuesday. Every single Tuesday. We're trying to flip this to $500. We wanted to get to $100 today, but it's all good. We take what we can get. All right, guys. Adib. Shout out to Adib. Joshua. Foreign. Do you see the trouble? The double tops I told you about? Yeah, you were not lying. You were not lying, Joshua. Shout out to you. I'm not going to lie. It was a good setup. What did Trump tweet? Real talks. Massive divergence between money market and futures market. Money market created a high and futures created a low. Ah. Where's my cut from the trade? Hey, DM me on Discord, bro. I got something for you. You guys, don't forget we're doing a giveaway as well. We're giving away 5 accounts. Stay locked in. Subscribe. Join the Discord. I'm going to be announcing it soon. 5 accounts we're giving away, guys, for free. You ain't got to do nothing, right? There's no buy this and enter that. Nothing. It's just once you sign up, you've got to use the link, though. I'll probably put the link in the description of this video when it's posted. But you've got to, if not, go to my video. Go to the video called, I'm going to type it up, called How to Get a Free Challenge Account or Prop Firm Account. Something like that, okay? Check out this video, guys, and you'll be able to follow the instructions. Click the link, sign up, so that we can put you in the giveaway. With that being said, guys, it has been a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful trading day. You guys stay blessed. Love each and every one of you beautiful traders. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you guys next week, all right? But I'll be posting videos this week, so you guys will see that as well. All right, guys, love, peace, and chicken grease. See you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Let's split it $80. Between how many people? 12 people? Let's do the math. 80 divided by 12. Everybody gets $6.66. Terrible number, by the way. But $6. Guys, DM me for your $6. All right, love you guys. You guys have a good one, man. I'm going to catch you guys later on. I got to head out. As you can see, got the pouch on. Got to go do some business. But I'll see you guys later on. Take care, guys. Peace. Thank you, Tabiso. Man, y'all. Dean Casey said W. Appreciate you guys. I love each and every one of you guys. You guys are awesome, guys. Every Tuesday, guys. Don't miss it. We're going to do this. We're trading as a community. I think this will be the first time as a community that we flipped an account. Not like one trader doing it. We did it together as a group. Fire. All right, guys. I got to go. I love you guys.